How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and I'm a little sad, but still a little optimistic on a video that I posted yesterday. So if you guys watched the video that I posted yesterday and me talking about removable battery on the Pixel 11, I do have to inform all of you guys that that is only pertaining to the 11 Pro Fold, which sucks for the rest of the series because I was wanting this to be on all the Pixel 11s, but they're only focused on the 11 Pro Fold. And the reason they're doing that, obviously, is because they're saying that they want the 11 Pro Fold to, for those who spend that great of a money on the foldable device, to be able to get years out of it. And one of the things that they know that is one of the first and major problems of any smartphone as it ages is the battery. The amount of charge cycles it's gone through, the amount of times that it's dealt with heat, which heat is the #1 enemy of lithium-ion batteries. So they've taken into consideration on that and opted to go with a removable battery on the 11 Pro Fold. Apparently, rumored. There is a leak of the patent regarding the 11 Pro Fold and it having a removable battery. You guys can see there's some sort of a mechanical, like a little switch that's supposed to hold the battery in place. They show like a little design of the chassis that the battery is held in and whatnot. And so, shout out to Pixel Updates on Threads. If you guys are not aware of Threads is pretty much like X. It's a microblogging platform, and I'm pretty active on there. So if you guys find me on there, sweet on you. But anyways, so I look at something like this, and I'm like, man, there's so many different ideas that you could do to make the Pixel 11 candy bar style series also have removable battery, because it is possible. The Kyocera Hydro series, which is a budget device, and a few budget devices. And Kyocera has always been known to really kind of primarily focus on water and dust resistance. And so those devices had removable batteries in a candy bar style phone that, it had a backing, honestly, that you could literally just like seal the back. It had like a little rubber grommet on the back plating on the inside part of the battery cover. And that rubber seal would seal around the battery, preventing water from getting to the battery. So there's ways, but to be quite honest with everybody, I have a completely different idea, and so I'm going to share that right now. So I'm going to take my Pixel 9a for example, because it's like right here in grabbing distance. But do you guys remember the LG G5 and how it had what they call modular, where you pop the bottom out and you can like switch the battery and put like a different battery in and push it in, and it had like those different modules, like one for camera, and you guys remember. If not, just Google it, LG G5. But anyways, I'm thinking that style should be brought to the Pixel 11 candy bar styles in order to make a removable battery. Since Pixel ditched physical SIM in favor of all-out eSIM, why not still make like some sort of security mechanism that utilizes a SIM key that you would have to like push in on the side, like right here, which would then release the bottom half with the battery attached to it, allowing you to remove the battery and replace it with a fresh battery cell, popping it back in with the interlocking mechanism that also creates a watertight seal as it's locked in correctly. And then there you have water and dust resistance. You have majority of a unibody design up to about, say, like 75% of the size of the phone, with the removable bottom piece that the battery is connected to, that you can disable the battery from it and put a fresh battery in. Like, I get the reasons why that they go for non-removable batteries. I mean, it's been so long that we've had this non-removable battery thing, and that's because they want you to take the phone to a certified repair shop and then have them repair the device for you, or battery swap for you, or any of that stuff. The problem is that when you take it to a repair shop, it already negates the IP certification for water and dust resistance. Even if they put it back together correctly, even if they use proper gluing to make sure that they sealed everything, you really don't know if they did a really good job, and you're trusting somebody else with your phone. And to me, that just kind of sucks. I would rather have a phone that, with my idea, which, I'm not doing any patents on it. I'm not going to sue anybody for it if they take that idea and they use it. I just want to see removable batteries come back, just because, I mean, that puts the power in the consumer's hands. You can go and order a new battery and have it come to you and just replace it. And plus, too, like if you go traveling on vacation, you can order additional batteries and then a battery external charger and charge those batteries up along charging your device up. And then when you're going out of your hotel to go adventuring around and sightseeing, you don't have to carry cords and additional power bricks and power banks and magnetic snap-on power banks. Like, you don't have to worry about those things because you have additional batteries that can fit in your backpack and in as small as a fanny pack and keep your device powered pretty much all day till you go back to the hotel. Like, that's some scenarios that I think a removable battery would be warranted. And so I really wish that Google would just take this into consideration and, present this in a future candy bar style Pixel device. I honestly feel like that a lot of people are going to be a bit jealous of the 11 Pro Fold if it does have a removable battery, because then people are going to want that to come down to the regular candy bar style series. And that's just me. That's my thoughts. That's what I think about it. What are yours? Plug it in the comment section of the video. Tell me what you guys think. And if I got someone's hopes up, I apologize. I got my hopes up. And then, because I knew that the 11 Pro Fold was rumored to be having something like this, but I thought from the lingo, it was just basically stated that, that the 11 could have removable battery. So if it was a little bit more detailed and just focusing on the 11 Pro Fold, and then, still my fault for putting that video out yesterday. So forgive me for that. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Aloha.